crew.
Coach,
Grace,
Addison,
Alicia.
So today we're going to be going to Equipto.
I don't really want to go. All they make is boring metal cabinets.
come on guys, it's gonna be so much fun.
let's go!
All right, Gym Boys, we'll see you when we get back.
Bye.
Hey guys, we're here at Equipto.
Nestled along the Bushkill and Scene Academy, Pennsylvania, Equipto manufactures high-quality shelving units.
As an industry leader, Equipto offers infinite solutions to their customers' shelving needs.
Equipto prioritizes innovation as they continue to grow and extend their product lines.
We went to Equipto to find out why more teens should become involved in manufacturing.
My name is Robert Ammerman, and I'm the president here at Equipto. I've been involved with the company for about 10 years. I think what's interesting about manufacturing is it's really got a place for everybody. If you're interested in the sciences or math, if you're a good writer, then we've really got a lot of different things to do, whether it's marketing or sales or engineering. And so there are really a lot of good choices, and you can try a lot of different things.
Hello, my name is Mark Ahern. I am a fabricator here at Equipto, and I've worked here 7 years. Well, there's a shortage of it in the country right now, and it's something you can take pride in, something you build with your hands.
Hi, my name is Vince Hildabrant. I'm the laser operator here at Equipto. I've been running the laser for about 4.5 years. I think a lot of teens don't realize that there are other professions out there as opposed to college. Most of them feel as if college is the only option, but there are a lot of other interesting fields that they can get into.
Hi, I'm Tyrone Miller. I've been at Equipto for 26 years. I'm actually a tool and die technician. There's lots of opportunities in manufacturing, and it is interesting.
We're filming.
Sorry.
Hey, Gym Boys, we just got back from Equipto.
We had so much fun.
They don't just make boring metal cabinets.
All right, Gym Boys, don't forget to like and subscribe and vote.
Bye!